So we have more instability here in the cryptocurrency market, and it all has to do with Tether. We're going to break it down in this video, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So this is the first time in a long time we've seen Tether depeg from the dollar yet again, and that is why prices across the cryptocurrency market are falling right now. Bitcoin is coming up a little bit here in the last hour. Bitcoin recently fell all the way down below 25,000 here this morning, but quickly coming back up as same can be said here for some other altcoins across the board. When we look at some of the biggest movers, Trust Wallet token, DeFi baby, right? KuCoin token, a couple others, Gemini dollar, some of the exchange tokens up a little bit. And some of the biggest losers, Aave Render token, one of my favorite AI projects, down 20% in the last week. That to me is a great get. Polygon down here, Hedera, some other great options, I think, getting things on the dip. Now, as you can tell, I'm not freaking out about this, not yet, right? And here's the reason why. We've seen this before. It's depegged, right? But it's not free-falling by any means. Now, USDT is under some selling pressure as it did lose about 0.3% of its value. So essentially just wobbling right now, right? We're not anywhere in danger zone, but the asset trading at that 996 level, we can come up here and go back over to CoinMarketCap and see that it's actually coming back above that now. There you go. You can see it right there. Actually fell down to the 9958 according here to CoinMarketCap, quickly retracing though and gaining back steam. But that is why, a big reason why you're seeing the sell-off here. Now, since markets are edgy in these days, so it's easy for attackers to capitalize on this general sentiment, but at Tether, we're always ready. Let them come. We're ready to redeem any amount. And this is CTO of Tether, Paolo Ordino, who was quick to go to Twitter to say, hey, all is okay. He also said the firm is ready to redeem for anyone interested, referring to holders' ability to swap the USDT token for underlying dollar it represents. This dollar backing has been a key sticking point for the firm over the years, with critics alleging that Tether does not actually have all the money it claims. Now, while those claims have been out there, Tether has not had any major liquidity issues thus far. Tether has attempted to basically squash these concerns with regular assurance reports from the accounting firm BDO Italia. The company indicated in its latest report that most of its reserve were held in cash and cash equivalents, with the majority invested in U.S. Treasury bills. Only 1.8% was actually held in Bitcoin. Now, at an $83 billion market cap, USDT is the industry's third largest crypto after Bitcoin and Ethereum. Unlike these two, though, stablecoins like USDT are pegged to fiat currency, such as the dollar or British pound. Of course, we think about them in dollars terms right now. These assets, if they lose their peg, though, to their fiat counterpart, it can stir fears in the market. Tether did not immediately respond to Decrypt's request for comment here, but that is what you're seeing here. But here's McKenna chiming in on Twitter as well, another well-respected voice out there. The USDT pool composition percentage has now reached 61%, which is absurdly high. Someone moving like they know something inflows over the last 24 hours are abnormal. This was coming in this morning. Not one to speculate, but did swap my USDT stack into an array of stables. This is coming from McKenna. So, again, this kind of stirring the pot a little bit. But I don't think there's any reason to move, massive amounts, okay? Now, you can go ahead and put it in USDC if you want. You could, check out another stablecoin. USDT is not depegged. They're actually up in value a little bit. They're right here, ranked number 5 at a $28 billion market cap. But I wouldn't freak out right now. This is pretty normal for Tether, okay? It was a quick depeg. Looks like it's pegging back. We'll be keeping track of this, of course, but that is why crypto had the flash crash here this morning, and we'll be tracking that as we head into this afternoon and into the evening. So appreciate you guys as always. Don't forget to subscribe down below. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.